Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Sajid Ali Haider, your real estate partner in Turkey. Most of my clients are asking me that what is your opinion? Either we should invest in under construction project or we should invest in ready to move apartment. But I thought that it is better to record a video for you people, so you can take benefit of my advice, and you can keep in mind the important factors when you are gonna buy an apartment that is ready to move. So what kind of benefits actually you are gonna get it? The first and foremost benefit when you are going to buy an apartment that is ready to move, you take actually, that is occupancy. For example, if you paid the money, you get your title deed, and at the same time, you are getting the keys of your apartment. So occupancy is important factor in real estate market. There are a lot of problems if they commit you that they will deliver you in 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, and after that you come to know that they are not going to deliver you. So it is actually a loss of your rental income, and if you are gonna live in it, so definitely it will delay your plans. So actually when you invest something in real estate, you need actually peace of mind. You invest for your benefit, not for your mental or stress or some kind of the restlessness. So it is important when you are going to invest something, you can invest in ready to move, so you will be getting occupancy in time. So this is the first and foremost benefit. And the second benefit is that you can avoid delays in construction. If it is not ready to move, it is in under construction, so they can delay it. So in ready to move, there is no chance to delay. The third benefit to invest in ready to move apartment is inspection. If the apartment is ready to move, so you can inspect it easily. You are having the access to inspect it, and you can take a decision according to the situation. If it is in under construction, they will show you the sample apartment, and you cannot judge the quality and the construction material of that expected apartment. The next benefit will actually surprise you. That is low cost. Honestly speaking, according to my experience, the ready to move apartments are low in cost rather than under construction. Due to inflation, the under construction developer expects something in inflation. So they give the prices with inflation rate because they have to buy some construction material. So they actually add the value in your price. So when you are gonna buy some ready to move apartment, you will see that you can make a comparison that the ready to move apartments are having less prices because they constructed it earlier. At that time, construction material was cheaper, although they include this factor in their prices. But according to my experience, the under construction projects are having high prices, and the ready to move apartments are showing and offering you less prices. The next benefit you can take to invest in ready to move is resale. You are free to resell your apartment whenever you want because it is ready to move. But in under construction, you don't have an option to resell it, and nobody will buy if it is under construction. So it is a big factor, it is a big benefit. The next benefit you can take to invest in ready to move apartment is rental income. If you are not gonna live in that apartment, you can rent it and you can take the rental benefit that is approximately 5% to 6% per annum in Istanbul, Turkey. And even if you are gonna rent it with Airbnb or for short term, you can earn more money like 10%, 12%, even 15% in some cases if it is in very touristic area and you know how to rent it. So it is a big advantage to invest in ready to move as well. For sure, in construction, in real estate investment, there is always a risk. In every business, there is a risk. Life itself is a risk. But when you are going to invest in ready to move apartments, so there is less risk. So that is, peace of mind. So it is also an important benefit that you are going to reduce your risk. You give the money, you take the keys, you take the possession, so there won't be any trouble like you can expect in under construction. So please keep in mind when you are gonna buy something that is under construction or ready to move, you should have to have the analysis of the market. It depends upon your buying. There should be a good buying. Either it is in under construction project or it is ready to move. If the price is according to the market, you will be getting benefit. If the prices are higher, actually your buying is higher, for sure you will be getting the benefit, but it will be late. So keep in touch with Mulk Property Consultancy, and you can contact us on WhatsApp, email you can send us, and you can visit our social media or website. So you can plan your visit with Mulk Property Turkey, and we will bring you to this such kind of beautiful projects, and we are offering citizenship and residence of Turkey through real estate investment. If you are having some investment and you don't want to take the citizenship, you will be buying with less prices. Do contact with us. Take care. Bye bye.